So yesterday the ultrasound machine would not power up at all. It was all black mirror, regardless of pushing buttons and unplugging and plugging and various things like that. And the only thing showing was this little approximation sign down on the bottom. This was not lit, so I got on the phone with tech support and they advised that we needed to do a cold restart on the machine, which is not a complicated procedure, but it has a bunch of steps. So I would just, rather than someone else having to spend 20 minutes with tech support, go through it. So the first thing you want to do is disconnect the probes here, and you don't have to pay attention to which order you take them off in. They can go back in any order later. It just makes it easier to go ahead and disconnect these. So then what you do is disconnect this power source right here. And look under here, there's a little safety catch. Release it, and that frees the unit up to be removed. So you take the unit here, and once you've got it face down, you need to remove the battery cover, which requires a screwdriver, or you could even use a dime or something, but you unscrew this screw here, which is kind of long.
So what caused the
Probably a power
screen
surge, or nobody knows. Just like any other computer, sometimes it just needs to be rebooted.
Okay.
So you take the batteries out, put them aside. Then you take the machine, mount it back, and there's a little lip on the back, and this safety catch again. And then you come over here to the power, with the power disconnected. Come here and just tap this button. I'm not going to do it today because it does need to restart, but tap this, and this apparently discharges the capacitors inside the machine and does a cold restart.
Okay.
So once you've done that, plug the power source back in, turn it on, and make sure that, and you can see this means electrical power, AC power, and it's powering up. If you do call tech support, they're going to want you to go to this menu up here and go to setup and about, and they'll need the serial number for the machine. That's where you can find that.
Okay.
So then you can turn it back off. Disconnect the power. Take the unit back out of the mount and reinsert the batteries. Let's go this way. And then reattach the cover. Tighten it down. Then put the machine back on the mount. Make sure that this is snapped. Reattach the power cord here, then reattach the probes. Again, it doesn't matter what order you put them in, just lock it in. And you can see you have the battery is recognized and the AC power is recognized, so you can turn it on as usual. It's loading up, and that's how, if the unit appears to have died, you can do a cold restart without having to call tech support.